Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you would like to verify your Axe account and age, in this video we are providing you with a tutorial for that. So let's just dive right into the video. You may start by opening up the Axe application for that. And once you open up the app, you can go to your profile in the bottom right or the profile in the top left corner and tap on it and access your profile first of all. And from there, you can just go over and tap on profile and select the option of edit profile from here. Tap on edit profile in order to edit your profile. So once you reach over here, when you scroll down, you should be finding a section called date of birth. So what we need to do is basically tap on it, and there you can input, you can just go over and input a birth date that makes you 18 or older and save the changes. So this changes can be made only a few times. So make sure you enter the age of the person using the account. You can tap on edit and you can just go over and confirm it up. You can remove the date of birth and add up the new one. And once it is done, you can tap on continue at the top and set up the date. And that should probably do it for you. What that will do is that will allow you to follow the age restricted content from brands using the access age screening feature. You can just go over and do so. Apart from that, what you can do is you can even get to the premium version sometimes. For that, you can tap on upgrade at the top and look out for the premium version of the X application. There are different basic plans available. You can look out for the one that you may want to purchase and upgrade X for your account, and then you can just go over and verify your X account and age, and it will require you a government issued ID and a selfie to confirm your identity and age, and that process will verify your identity for the blue check mark and helps meet the access eligibility requirements. And that's it. You can just go over and follow this process for that. Usually this is the method you can follow up for that. So be sure to like this video. We hope this video was helpful and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.